Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at this story about a cat and a dog. And you will learn new vocabulary as we look at the story. So, let's begin. The cat here is looking around the corner. So this is the corner here, and the cat is sort of looking around the corner, looking at the dog from around the corner there. And suddenly the cat jumps at the dog. The cat jumps at the dog, and the dog is very shocked by this. The dog is shocked. So the dog's shocked because the cat jumps at him. The cat misses. He does not get the dog. The cat misses, and now the dog is walking away. See, the dog is walking away from the cat, and the cat missed. So the cat was here. This is the dog, and the cat tried to jump on the dog, but the cat missed the dog here. Now it's time to eat. It's time for dinner. It's time to eat dinner. And this is the bowl. This is a red bowl, and it has the name Oscar on the bowl. This is a name. So it says Oscar. The dog here, the dog is growling. The dog's growling here. The dog's growling at the cat. So the dog's growling. But the cat does not care. The cat is not scared. The cat's not scared of the dog's growling. The cat tries to scratch the dog here. Look at this picture. The cat is scratching. The cat is trying to scratch the dog because the cat has claws. See, these are the cat's claws, very sharp. He has sharp claws, and the cat is trying to scratch the dog with his claws. And so now the cat can eat the food. The cat is eating the food out of the bowl, and the dog is sad about this. The dog is quite sad about this, and the cat is eating the food from the bowl. Now, the cat is sleeping on the sofa. The cat's sleeping on the sofa, and the dog climbs onto the sofa. So the dog climbs onto the sofa here, and then the dog sits on top of the cat. See, the dog sits right on top of the cat here. Right on top of the cat. And so the cat is a bit angry about this. The cat is angry because the dog sat on top of him. And so the cat's angry. And so now the cat and the dog are fighting. They are fighting. The dog here, the dog is barking, row, 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 like that. The dog's barking, and the cat, again, here the cat is trying to scratch the dog with its claws, trying to scratch the dog with its claws, and the dog is still barking, row, row, like that. Now the man here, he's wearing a yellow hoodie. He's wearing a yellow hoodie here. He's also wearing some glasses here, and he's holding the remote control. Beep, 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 beep. He's holding the remote control to try and watch some TV. He wants to watch some TV. So that's why he's holding the remote control. But he's getting a little bit annoyed. So the man is annoyed. If we look if we look at his face, we look at the man's face, he's a bit annoyed here. He's a little bit annoyed because the dog and the cat are fighting, right? They're fighting. The dog's barking. The cat is trying to scratch the dog like this, trying to scratch him with his claws. So the man is a bit annoyed because of this. So now the man with the yellow hoodie, the man wearing the yellow hoodie, is feeding the dog. So he's feeding him a little biscuit. So this is a biscuit, and he's feeding the dog a biscuit. It's a dog's biscuit. Yes, it's a biscuit for dogs. It's not a biscuit for people. It's a biscuit for dogs. So the man is feeding the dog a biscuit, right? He's feeding him. The dog's tail, this is the dog's tail here, right? So the dog's tail is wagging like this. Why is the dog's tail wagging? Why is the dog's tail wagging? The dog's tail is wagging because the dog is happy. The dog's happy, right? And so that's why the dog's tail is wagging like this, because the dog is happy. The dog's tail is wagging because he's happy. The dog's tail is wagging, and the dog's tail hits the cat, bang, like that. The dog's tail hits the cat because the dog's tail is wagging, so it hits the cat, and the cat is annoyed. The cat is annoyed. The cat is angry because of this, and again, the cat tries to scratch the dog with its claws. We can see 1, 2, 3 claws. The cat has 3 claws here, and the cat is trying to scratch the dog with its claws. Why is the cat trying to scratch the dog? Why is the cat trying to scratch the dog with its claws? Because the dog's tail hit him before. The dog's tail hit him, and so that's why he's trying to scratch the dog with its claws. And as you can see, the dog and the cat are always fighting. They're always fighting every day. Every day they are fighting. The cat is scratching the dog. Here in this picture, the cat is not scratching the dog. The cat is hitting, boom, boom, like this. The cat is hitting the dog on the top of the head. So the cat's hitting the dog, boom, boom, on top of the head, like this. But here the cat is scratching the dog. Here the cat is scratching the dog again. And here again, the cat's scratching the dog. So the dog and the cat, they are always fighting, you know. They always seem to be fighting. However, on this day, the cat is sitting on the bed, and the cat is looking out of the window. The cat is looking out of the window, and right now it's raining. So it's raining hard now. It's not just raining a little bit. It's raining hard. There's lots of rain coming down on the window here, on the window. It's raining very hard. So the cat climbs, the cat walks over to the dog, and the cat kind of curls up next to the dog. So the cat curls up. You see, like in this shape, the cat is curled up. The dog is curled up also. So they're both curled up together, and they're sleeping together. They're sleeping in the same bed. So they're both curled up like this, both curled up, sleeping in the same bed together. So even though they fight a lot, even though they are always fighting, they're still friends. You know, the cat and the dog, they are still friends together. And so that's why the cat is curled up next to the dog in the bed. And the man here, the owner of the cat and the dog, he's happy. He's happy to see this. He's happy to see that the dog and the cat are still friends. Even though they're fighting all the time, they're still friends. That is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Keep listening to English to learn new vocabulary. And I will see you in the next one. Hello guys. If you want more videos, go to EnglishSponge.com. On the website, you will find videos from many different teachers, some British teachers and some American teachers. The videos are organized by level A1, A2, B1 and B2, so you can choose which level you want to listen to. So, go to EnglishSponge.com. The link is in the description of the video.